Eh?
How did you know that I was shooting?
I was I'm the props person. You know they say all these things I get on mommy.
I didn't know, I swear. And when I saw the gun, it's looking real. I'm like, Jesus. I've never seen it in the supermarket. I was thinking
Even we have guns that are way realer than this one.
Yeah.
Finally notice what's going in here.
I didn't notice anything. It's not stressful.
Just leave it like that. Maris. I think we should put that neck now, Abby.
You can paint my neck with silver.
Guys, stay for your continuity so that we can come in. So split your leg. Split your leg open, Jarvis. Yes. Mike. I think we're good to go.